Good morning, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm going to be planting Bareroot Blueberries. So, just wanted to kind of show them to you. So what I have done is, because blueberries are packaged in a package of two different kinds for cross-pollination, I kept a couple of the boxes because I have 4 different kinds here. And I have labeled each one so that I know when I'm planting them that I intermix them instead of planting them all together. Now here's my other problem. I don't have enough space. I overestimated. Blueberries really should be planted 4 feet apart. So first things first, I'm going to take them out of the bags and the material and soak them in a bucket of water. I had issues with a few sections of the original video, so I will be using voiceover where necessary. I need to carefully cut off the band so that I don't cut into the bush. Bareroot blueberries are packaged in a sawdust type mixture and rolled up in paper. I need to carefully unroll the paper without damaging the roots. Then I place the rooted plant in water, being sure that the water does not submerge the crown and the tops. All of the plants are soaking now. They cannot be in the water for more than 2 hours, so I'll need to get the beds ready for them. First, I'll need to move the plants in my raised beds to 4 feet apart. I had originally planted these at 18 inches apart. Now, and this will give me room to add only 1 plant to the planter box. Next, I'll need to prepare these blue mineral tubs, and I'll start by drilling holes for drainage. Next, I'll fill them just over 1/2 full with composted bark chips. Then I need to add topsoil and fill to 2 inches from the top of the bucket. I'll smooth this out. Now I take the Bareroot plant and gently pull back the soil deep enough to place the plant roots. Do not cover the crown. The crown is the area above the roots. And gently pat the dirt down around the plant. Next, I am adding 4 tablespoons of fertilizer around the plant and working it into the soil. The fertilizer needs to be for rhododendrons and blueberries and azaleas. If you don't have the one that says blueberries, that's fine. Any fertilizer for azaleas and rhodies will work. Be sure to wear gloves when you are working with fertilizers of any kind. I'm going to plant the buckets in a row here. The garden is slanted down in this area, so I've put a cut strip of plywood on the downhill side to help level up the pots. Okay, it's been a long day. So everything has been fed and I've added mulch. This will keep the weeds down and the moisture in. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you are enjoying this type of content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share our videos. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.